In this video we will know, why do people trade Forex? Individuals and businesses participate in the Forex market for two main reasons. Speculation. The vast majority of Forex transactions are made simply to make money. This means the person or institution making the trade has no plans to take delivery of the currency. They are just looking to turn a profit on movements in the market. With major financial institutions always looking to profit from small changes in Forex prices, many large trades can occur throughout the day. This activity means currency rates are some of the most consistently volatile financial markets in the world, which in turn provides more opportunities for speculators to make money. Purchasing goods or services in another currency. Every time a transaction is made between two entities in different regions, a foreign exchange transaction needs to take place to pay for the goods or services exchanged. Transactions such as this happen globally, every second of every day. Despite the number of transactions, the amount of currency traded is often very small compared to trades made by large speculators. Therefore, commercial trading tends not to have such a big effect on short-term market rates.